So we've been working on some AC problems on this 2015 Dodge Durango. Blower motor was working intermittently. The blower motor also was very noisy. So we replaced the blower motor, also replaced the fuse up here. The fuse was a little burnt on the sides of it, and the fuse was actually pretty cooked on the inside. So we got through those problems, but it's still having this intermittent problem where once in a while it just doesn't work. So we actually took the TPM out and unplugged this bottom front plug here. So this is the fuse for the blower motor right here. Before we did all this, I should say, we unhooked the battery completely. So the battery is not hooked up right now. Then we pulled this up. Basically, you just release these 4 clips. So you put a screwdriver, push this little tab. There's 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and then you can lift the whole thing up. When we lifted it up, we got this plug out. So you just unlock. There's a lock that's on the side. You basically just pull it down, wiggle the plug out. At that point, here's the problem, the larger problem, why this is an intermittent problem. As you can see, this plug is burnt. And so this wire has been getting super hot. This connection is probably no good at this point. Plus, more of a risk here with this being the plug being burnt like this. So we're gonna take this apart, get this wire out, take a look at that, and then possibly replace this plug. So if you look down in there, it is melted pretty good. The connector around it's melted, so definitely need to replace the connector itself, and most likely this outer plug. There are a couple of other ways to fix this as well, but a lot of people, once they get to this point, they confirm, they just take it to the dealer. We're gonna fix it, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like when that is all melted up. That confirms this is the problem you need to be going after. So I went ahead and got it out of there. As you can see, it is toast. So it melted all that around there. I couldn't get the wire out from the backside like you would normally get it out. I actually had to bring it out through the front because it's all melted and the tabs don't work and stuff. So just wanted to show you where this is. I'm gonna fix this in an unconventional way, so we're not gonna put that on here because we only like to show you the way to do it by the book so you don't cause any problems. If you have this problem, this is a good one where you need to replace this plug. You need to also replace the connector, and it might be best for you to take it to the dealer. There are some other ways to do this unconventionally. We'll leave that up to you if you want to search them out online. But this shows you, this is not just replacing the blower. The blower probably caused this as it was drawing a lot of amps, and this connection's not very good on the bottom because it basically, you got a connector here, then it connects to the bottom of the TIPM board. Then from there, you've got the fuse on top, which connects to another connector. So there's a whole bunch of connections in here, and you get a lot of heat coming through there. So probably the blower motor was failing. Like I said, it was pretty noisy. We replaced that, and that was building up this heat here, melted the plug, and that's causing the intermittent problem. So this will at least get you started in the right direction if you're having intermittent problems with your blower motor on your Dodge Durango.